Let's look at the database management project in which we created a small database system. It uses different mapping techniques like link hash map, BP tree map, hash map, and tree map. Built-in structures like hash map and tree map are used to do join operations. Let's look at the implementation of hash map. You can take a look at the implementation of hash map, and when we run the hash map and we try to insert some of the values into the hash map, you can look at the keys and the values that have been inserted. These are the buckets in which the data has been stored. You can see how the chaining occurs in these hash maps. And let's have a look at the BP tree map code. If you look, we are trying to also insert some 30 key values into the hash map, into the BP tree map, and their squares. And if you look at them, these are all the values that have been inserted, and we are printing out the values by getting them. And you can look at the structure of BP tree map that was created. And all these are both link hash map and tree map are used in movie db.2 and movie db and table. If you look, we are creating a table which implements few operations like in the table we have project, there is project, there are other operations as well. In the table we are doing operations like select as well. All the relational algebra operators are pretty much implemented. A join, a select with using this link hash map and tree map, and there is union as well. And if you look at the implementation of table, we are creating the table name, table schema using by initializing it, and then we are inserting some of the data into these tables according to their data types, and then we are performing different operations like union, print, and project select. We look, if we run that code, we can look the data. This is the data inserted into the movie table. This is the data inserted into cinema table. We look at movie 0 in the code. Where is movie 0? You can see movie 0 is like the union operation of all of them. I think so. It's a union operation of both the movie and cinema. That's what movie 0 is. And you can see all the tables, movie and cinema joined. You get the this as our union. You can also look at similar way the other operations that have occurred like select and project. You look at the project operation on title and year, we can see title and year have been printed. If we have project on 4 columns, the 4 columns have been printed. And we look at the union operation again. We have the union with no duplicates, and we have the minus operation implemented as well. You can see movie minus cinema operation, and we have movie 9. And if we join movie with cinema, we have the following table. These are the different operations we implemented in relational algebra, and we also did time analysis of these projects, which you can find up in the GitHub link.